has a sensor built right into it, and you can use that to track you. And not just track you right in the center, you can actually reframe it and do something like this, and then I can reframe it so that it keeps my head up a little bit higher on the frame. But it does a really good job tracking. You can also start and stop recording with your palm, and then if you want it to stop following you, you just do something like this. Another really cool feature, if you have this connected with a cable or via Bluetooth, and a lot of times you have the record button on most gimbals, but this one has so that you can press half down to focus, like you would if you're using the actual record button. You can press it half down and it kind of focuses first. You can feel it, there's a half button and then a full button. The wheel on this thing is really cool. For one, you can actually change the different wheel settings right here on this button, and it will actually display on your screen whether it's roll, so you can do a roll wheel, tilt, or pan. And it's really smooth. So this has an updated technology to actually give you a little bit more stability. And I do like that you have a handle like this, you hold it like this, and it just even makes it more smooth so that if you're carrying it like a briefcase, you can get those low to the ground shots, and it just makes it so easy. That is so good.